So what I'm coming to do is to cure the egg when Miss China produce eggs. I don't want them to drop again, so I'm just going to nail this down. There, nail it down. Ooh. So the egg will not drop again. One more and I'm done. Oop. Oops. Oopsie daisy. La la. No egg will drop. Yesterday you saw the egg dropping to the floor. So I've secured it there. I'm going to do another one there. Here you can see. Well, this used to be the kitchen cabinet, and I've turned it into chicken coop. Look at that chicken house. So recycle. This house is called the House of Recycle. So I'm going to do another one here in case you get another chicken, then it will also be secure. So let me get another wood. Hello. All I need is another slice of wood. Let's see. So I had to cut, then I have to cut. Too small, too big. So I'm going to have to make some alterations in here. So, dee. Oh, this house is full of stuff. Got proper hammer. I use this one for that, so I think I might as well use it. There, we can use it like that instead of flat. it can be lace. I'm old and wrinkled, 92 years old, and I do these. Let me get it. This house is full of tools and each of the purpose. I think this one is better. So, oh, someone's calling. Hello, Kofi. Good morning. Oh, and you're here. Tell me who you're now. Okay. Menko baby, and you know, you feel okay. Me that's. What the oh, and yes, I'm good. Memo code, sending a best security for no allow you in, yeah? And you know, mess and do code maybe say more details. And you know, Nina may you know my bro invite or a visa, memo visa to enter. That's it. Oh my goodness. Anyway, mess and that bro. Okay, that's it. Bye bye. Oh. You live in an estate that you need a code. If someone coming to visit you, they cannot just come like that. For a worker, they need to have entry code. So entry visa, I should say. This is Ghana. I'm doing my best though. I just need to cut this bit. Let me put this down. Hey, I don't want to stamp on my plant. They are more important than this wood. Upsy daisy. There. Eventually, I will get it. I will do it. Let me see. I think it's in the middle. Yeah, I got it. There. Eventually. So I got my nails. Whew. So here, another banger. I just put it in the middle. I do the middle first, so it will stay. area. So in case we get another chicken, I've got the place is ready. Look. Okay. So just open the room about. Just come and sleep in there. Or lay their eggs, and the eggs will not fall down. I'm done. My next job for today is to plant these short bananas. So let me show you guys. I'm not going anywhere today. So these two bananas, I've got some at the front garden, but it's been almost 3 years. It has not been fruitful. So I'm bringing this one that was given to me 2 days ago. I'm coming to plant it here. Apparently this place is more fertile than the, so you're going to see in the next video how I dig the ground and do this.